All right, there we go. Now I'll let the Discord know I'm live. Everyone. Well, XTKG is kind of letting me down here. I gotta say, I'm not liking the fact that it's just kind of reversed all the way there. It was looking good until it wasn't, you know? That's all right. Maybe it'll bounce right back off that volume weighted average price all the way down here and go back up. What I was looking for is I was looking for this thing to once it got back over volume weighted average price to make a move. But yeah, it spread nice there for me. I was looking for a breakout. It didn't give it to me. But we're still not, screwed. I mean, there isn't a whole lot of movement here, so that's not bad. MACD's looking like it wants to crawl back around. Today might be a day of just taking, $3 here, $6 there, and then saving a little bit of powder for later, you know? Maybe. Yo, good morning, Night Owl. Thank you for the heads up. BNA bought 2 shares and made $10. Nice, Captain. Good stuff. That's awesome. Yep, that one looks pretty tasty, just way too expensive for me. Yeah, they've got they got like 50 million or something. What did I read? Let's see. I had it here somewhere. 50 million equity purchase agreement. Yeah, that's what they had. JU Phone FFAI. They just released and got orders for humanoid robots first. Some LV show. Yeah, the LV shows probably isn't. No, that's CES. It's not CES. But CES is also tech. Yeah. Wonder if it's CES. There we go. Come on, XTKG. Let's go. So I was looking at FFAI like I want to say like 4 days ago, something like that. I'm still not sold. Still not sold on it. I can't believe both of these turned on me like that. That's just not cool. That's why I got 2 shares, very expensive. Yeah. Yep. Morning, Raul. All right, guys, remember. So I go live Monday through Friday, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment only and no fucking crypto talk. Cool beans. Let's go, baby. Powered by Pollock. uh, Come on, hurry up. Yeah, nice little hammer candle here off of support, which is that little blue line on CISS. You need a confirmation candle. You need the MACD to flip. I've shown you guys plenty of times how these hammer candles work out after you have confirmation. I just need to get green on something here. I don't like showing 2 reds. Yeah, reds aren't good. Reds suck. Yeah, so far I'm in this one here, XTKG, which hasn't worked out the way that I wanted it to just yet. Just kind of flubbing around, waiting for this MACD to flip. And then I'm in CISS right now. Only two trades I'm in. Nothing crazy. Looking around, there's not much going on this morning. BNAI, nice. Nice. That's awesome that I hit that. That's cool. So on my Discord alert, and I'll show you guys this one. So here's my Discord alert. Jesus. There's my Discord alert. There you go. BNAI. This was 353. So the damn thing was barely at 30, 31, I think. Entry 29.80, 30.50, right in there. Stop was that. Take profit 1 was 32. Take profit 3 is 40. It hit take profit 1 and 2. So that's pretty good. Currently it's at 36 bucks. So not bad. Not bad. I only sent out one alert today because, like I said, market's just kind of eh. There's nothing really there. I mean, you're gonna get a lot of fake outs today. Today's just one of those days. Um, Pretty much every day is freaking one of those days, but all sectors this week sucked. Lionheart, it's the game we play, man. They have all sucked, but it's okay. It's all right. We're here to scalp, and when you scalp, you don't get, you know, you don't really get locked into some of these, conversations of, oh man, the sector sucked. The market's been, so trash and da 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 da. People say, wonder what's going to happen tomorrow. We're going to have the war, or what are we doing, right? And then so you think about it and you go, well, is it going to really bother my stocks? No, because I'm not bag holding, I'm not holding, I'm scalping, and that's it. I'm just taking my profits as they come. All right. Uh Come on. I don't know what the hell that was on this little guy right here. You look at that weakness. It dropped down to 30. One nasty little candle. I bet you I was thinking that I set my, basically I was going to sell when it hits the little red line. Ha, it was mistaken. Ha ha, can't fool me. Yeah, you can. You've fooled me plenty of times. Yeah, thanks, Mark. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, that is the one of the loves of my life is now that I finally got my shit out of the garage, and I'm able to come into an air conditioned and heated house. Makes life a lot better. Cody, so that question right there, how much size do you use? That's all, that's a case by case for you, for anybody on here. You can't sit there and follow what I do because I have my own risk, my own um, my own way of trading. So like in this case right now, so I have $1,000 account right now, this second. Okay. Well, so I don't want to put more than, you know, $100 on a stock. I mean, if I do, I do, whatever. But yeah, Favre, yeah. um, but yeah, I don't want to put more than $100 on a stock. Now, when my account was 2 grand, I didn't want to put more than $200 on a stock. Now, are there cases where I did, where I thought, oh yeah, this thing's really gonna go, or it feels really good? Um, then I'd put more. But in this situation, right now, I'm just playing $100 a ticker. GZXN. Oh man, this thing's just not doing what I want it to, but it's okay. We'll go JZXN, see what that one's doing. All right, nice. So there's your targets on JZXN. We'll see if it wants to get there. So it's really your own risk management, Cody. Come on, go, go, go. So CISS, if you notice, it came off of a double bottom. It uses the little blue line as support. It has a lot of resistance between 214 and 219. I've been trading since 2012. Back then, I used to do more swing type plays when the market was normal, before Roaring Kitty and the gang wrecked everything for everybody. Trading has gotten a lot harder since then. Oh God, the entire top portion of my back is spasming. If I pass out or something while I'm on the live, you guys, it's the medicine that I took. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully, it doesn't knock me out. Hopefully, makes the back spasms stop though. Damn, these things hurt. BNAI, $33. Hit 37. Almost got just $3 more. It would have hit that take profit 3. Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Remember, the goal is 25,000 likes per live. It does determine if I go live or how long I go live the next day. If we hit the 25,000, then it's a go. We're good to go. Yesterday we hit 26,000. We got the last, I think, 5,000 within the last like 3 minutes of the live before market opened. So that was pretty cool. Come on, JZXN. Let's go. Move your ass. Nice little riff. Come on. Don't play with my emotions. And remember, guys, take your profits on the way up. You want to take your profits into strength, not into weakness. You don't want to chase. Once once the stock breaks down and you decide that you want to sell, you go ahead and you say, screw it, I'm gonna get out. Um, and the stock doesn't sell you out and it keeps going down. Now you're starting to get emotional. Now you're chasing. You can call yourself like the the shark chasing a fish at that point. All right, there we go. JZXN. Come on now. There's 43. Let's open that up for you so you guys can see that better. It's 46. Destruction. Na, 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 na. This one's sucking for me as well. There's 48. 53. Let's go. JZXN. There's 156. Let's see. Is it going to have enough go to get up here? It's already done 9 million in trading. I'm sorry. It's already done 513 in trading. It's a 1.39 million float. And guys, for some reason, this video is going freaking insane. This video here on Tickety Talk is going insane. It's the myths. 39,000 views on this thing. The myths. Top 10 penny stock myths right there. So don't forget to go over here and, like, comment, and share. Also, make sure that you're following this Jrockstocks. There's only one. Jrockstocks. No dots, no dashes, no nothing. Okay, make sure that's how it looks. Check out this one. Top 1% penny scalpers look for pre-market. Why breakouts fail. Toxic agents. There's BNAI from a little bit ago. That was a good move. And then day trading penny stocks. What nobody teaches you about. Guys, check that shit out, all right? Okay, good. All right, come on now. Let's see if maybe third time's the charm here, maybe. Maybe third time's the charm to break through this 219. Oh man. Yeah, this one's just not working out. This one's done for me. I'm gonna go ahead and just say screw it. I'm out. I'm gonna get out of this sucker. Yeah. I don't want to take a loss. I want to stay green. Being green's nice. I am stuffy as hell. Can you guys hear that? Yeah, all right. Fuck it. I'll take my loss on it. All right. See, it dropped even more while I was talking about it. Great. All right, I'm out. I'm out of that one. I'm out of XTKG. I don't like the fact it broke past the little red line, and it's just kind of the volume took a shit. It's completely out of it there. JZXN. All right, if you guys want to be a part of the community, don't forget to go to jrockstocks.com. That's where you can get your watch list for day trading. There's also some good stuff there under helpful links and learning center. There's rules that you guys should follow when you're trading penny stocks, and it should help you avoid blowing out your account. All right, let's see a 3-line strike here. So this candle, if this is a nice big green engulfing candle, it'll engulf these three. And let's see it closes up here. It's got about 34 seconds to do so. Once it closes up here, that's called a 3-line strike. Your 3-line strike is a bullish candlestick pattern. Works out sometimes. I'd say it's fairly accurate as long as it's above the volume weighted average price, which is your little yellow line there. If it's not, if it's below it, usually doesn't work out. Oh, there we go. My nose unclogged. Oh, cool. I can breathe again. How do you join the Discord? You got to sign up for the watch list blog. So basically, here I'll show you. So here's jrockstocks.com. So you go there. Okay. You scroll down. You read the reviews. Okay. You read the disclaimer thoroughly. All right. You go to Learning Center. You go to helpful links. This is all free for members. Members are free. All right. There's the learning center. There's the rules. Very important for beginners right there. This is what the watch list looks like. I'm not going to show you yesterday's. I'll show you the day 2 days ago from 2 days ago right here. So this is what the watch list looks like. Gives you an entry zone, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3, and some notes on the stock. All right. It also gives you a breakdown of cleanest setup structure and tradability, BNAI, FATN, high squeeze potential, CISS, highest fade risk, good volume stalls, HCAI, INLF, you know, from this day. So there's BNAI alerted back here, 2450 to 2530. Take profit 3, 340, 3450. But that's what it looks like. If you guys want access to the Discord or to the watch list, if you want just the watch list, you do this one. It's $39.99 a month, and you get the watch list before 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, anywhere between 6 and 8 p.m. For daily pre-market, watch list 1 to 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Gives you exact entry range, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3, catalyst notes. You don't get Discord access. Okay. If you want Discord access, you do the full access monthly here, $59.99. And if you want to save 20%, then you go for the full 1 year. You just go ahead and pay up front. So instead of paying $719.88, you're paying $569.90, and you get Discord access and all that fun stuff. All right, so there's that. If you want to know a little bit about me, that's about me. If you want to tip me, you can tip me there. Yeah, I have the Cash App thing right over here. There's a Cash App thing. All right, and what else? Track record. So I don't know how to fix this, but my top runner is not calculating for some reason. As you guys can see, the gains over here on like these right here, the ones that go full board. Usually it says top gain. It's not calculating. I fixed it last week. It broke again. I have no idea why. But anyways, that's Jrockstocks. So that's where you go. Okay, cool. Look at that. All right, CIS. Thank you. CIS. CISS. CIS. Let's go. That is a good little move. Beautiful. And on the watch list, there we go. It just hit a target, so that's nice. So take profit 1 typically on the watch list, or if I call something out here with you guys, take profit 1 is king. Don't sit and hold and wait for take profit 2 or 3. Take some profits at take profit 1, just for that pure reason of everything being pumpy dumpy. Okay. Now again, you have your own risk management. If you feel daring as fuck, be daring as fuck, whatever. Hey, what's up, Abu Adam? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, BNAI does have news. Come on, baby. Keep on pushing. Nice saggy booby pattern here. On the way up. Here's gonna be the real test right here at this 235. I hit 232. 235 is gonna be a test. We'll see if it wants to do anything or not. That's my favorite. Good morning, Cree. How's your kiddo doing? JZXN just breaking down. Freaking knees are freezing. All right, hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Let's go. We got a long way to go. We're at one point 1.7, so 1,700 likes so far. The goal is 25,000 right now. As long as we have under 100 people in the room, 25,000. I don't think that's too hard to get to. That goal will be going up. Not today, but it will be going up here shortly. I have a feeling we're gonna be doing pretty good here. Community's going. Here we go. We're pushing that 232 again on CISS. Let's see. Can it break out? Can it do it? Let's see. Come on, push, push, push. Let's go. Maybe it doesn't like that I got JZXN over here. Here's RKLZ. It's a ETF. There we go. There's 233. Come on. What do you got? What do you got? Is it easy to trade? No, it's not. It's not easy to trade. It is it's gotten tougher since that whole GME AMC thing happened. But no, it's look, if you're a person that's not emotional and can follow rules, then you'll be fine. You can trade. It's easy. But if you can't follow rules, it's tough. There we go. Come on, baby. Break on through. Break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side. Come on, you can do it. There's 36. Good, good, good. I'm going to take a couple shares off there. So I took some profit because, here I am telling you guys to take profits. I'm not taking profits whatsoever. Like, come on. There you go. Yep, I do remember that. I do remember that. Yep. Yeah, that was fun. So you guys just saw I took some shares off. I had 50, now I have 20. Um, I did that just to make sure that I capture some money there. Because if this thing does turn around, which it can very likely do. I want to make sure that now I'm playing with some house money instead of, you know, yeah, it's been different, huh, Debbie? It's been different. $300-400 a trade is it used to be fairly easy and fairly quick, and then things changed. Things drastically changed again. And like I said yesterday, the market is a living, breathing thing. It will wreck you if you allow it to. If you're fast, if you're a good and disciplined trader, um, that doesn't let emotions affect your trade. Oh my God, you can just rip the market. NK, thank you for the hearts, me. Appreciate it. Yep, yep. Take those profits, guys. Take some profits off the table. Have fun. And you know, let's just make our goal to be to take some profits off the table. Yeah, two down. RKLZ is a ETF right here. It's on the screen. 396 is what it's slowly at. While I'm looking for some other stuff here for you, we'll keep on going. Freaking penny off. What do I think RKLZ will reach? Let's see, and this is why you take profits when you can. So now if this little guy right here breaks CISS, if it breaks past this 220, it'll probably come back down to volume weighted average price, that little yellow line. Oops. Oops. And there she goes back to volume weighted average price. Look at that. Coming back down. Boy, am I glad I took some profits. There you go, Debbie. Yep, that's it. That's exactly why I'm glad I took some profits. This is just 20 shares, so now it drops, 10 cents, then I lose what, $2? So it's not bad. That's not bad. And God, we've seen these things do that exact thing, then rip, right? Well, here's your pattern: 1 2 1 2, right? Double topped, flipped up here, basically back to this resistance support now. But well, actually, technically, that's resistance now because it dropped below it. Going green, greenage. Out with 8% gain, I'll take it. I'm gonna try my best to stay green. Follow the rules, fam. That's right. Follow them rules. They're there for a reason, right? How many times have you sat there and just watched your profits just dwindle away because you're like, no, it's going to come back? No, just trust the levels. The levels are there. It makes sense. Like a fucking deer in the headlights. Yes, sir. Volume weighted average price needs to hold this up. It doesn't, then it's gone. It'll come back down this little red line. Hey, what's up, Mitchell? The Crusher is in the house, y'all. There's BNAI. See, BNAI back to $29. I mean, you had take profit one on there, you had take profit two, and you sit there and you wait for take profit three. It didn't come. Sure, might it come later? Yeah, sure. But you should have already taken your profits and let it run as much as it did, and then decide whether you want out or you're going to go ahead and tough it out and possibly bag hold. You don't want bag hold, right? Man, Spy's getting its ass kicked today. Nice. Come on. See, good bounce right off of volume weighted average price. That's where the algos sit, and that's why this popped up right here, because the algos want it to move up. Algorithm. That happens to the best of us, Risky. You know that. It's all right. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. RKLZ still slowly pushing up. I like what I'm seeing here. It's a good little slow move. There's your first target right there. I don't know why it's not working. There we go. Now, what's this going to do? Is it going to bump its head right about there at 233? That's probably where it's going to bump its head. See if it breaks some through that 233. Two down MRNO. Yeah, that one's tricky. MRNO's tricky. We played MRNO several times. Look at this thing's just slowly creeping up. 403. Whoops. Sorry. That's my Polish stuff. Oh, my bad. My bad. That is my Polish stuff I like to listen to. I don't have anyone to speak Polish with, so I got that stuff, and it helps me remember my Polish. Let's see. Let's go with let's go with this one right here. Um, two down. I wouldn't put it if I didn't think it. You know, if I didn't think it would, I wouldn't have put it there. You know, I tell my wife that all the time too. I, I, I wouldn't have put it there if I didn't think I could. You know, I mean, eh, eh, eh. That's we call that the dolphin. Today is slow. It's so slow. Oh God. Oh, airplane. I'm scared to death. That same, same, wave. It's coming for you. Man, this thing's looking weak. It's looking weak. Yeah. Mm, I think we'll just go ahead and I think I'm gonna just say uh I think I'm gonna get out of this. I know it's like $2, but yeah, I'm out of it. I'm out. I'm gonna just sell it right here. I just got out of CISS. It's just not showing me a lot of strength. It's showing me a lot of weakness right now. Now, could I be wrong? Yes. If you would go ahead and watch the videos that I put out on my profile on TikTok, you'll see that there is a reason that the price of the stock currently in pre-market isn't that's not really the price. I mean, it's very, it's very low volume. If volume's ripping, it's above volume weighted average price. Cool, but I want to just go ahead and take my profit. Exactly. Why take the chance? I'm green. That's all that matters. And then, we'll keep watching it, but we'll look for other things as well. It's tough when it's a slow day like this because you want to trade, but you also don't want to force the trade. So many of us like to sit here and go, "Oh man, this one's moving. I'm gonna jump in," and then as soon as you jump in, the damn thing tanks because you weren't really paying attention because you were just eager to jump in. This thing breaks the volume weighted average price. It's coming back down to this little red line. I am looking, checking all my scanners and not seeing jack shiitake mushrooms. AGMH, maybe? Let's try that. Let's see what AGMH looks like. There we go. Has a big problem with 197. Volume needs to pick up. You've got a little bit of a gap here at 202. CIS did a little double bottom. Needs to break 228 to have a chance at that 237. Needs to create another floor, kind of like it's created right there. And the good thing about stocks, when you play a smaller position like I have been, you guys have been seeing, I've been playing smaller positions. The good thing about that is, it makes your powder last a little longer. And so I can still jump into this if I want. If I see that it's pushing good and that volume is starting to come in again, then yay, why not? Then I can jump back in. Your MACD's starting to curl again here. So this has a good chance of actually breaking through now. That MACD flips on you, you're in a good spot. We think Kelly going up to 120, high risk, high reward, LOL. Kelly B is expensive, man. It's 63 bucks. Do we think it's gonna go? I mean, the float's a little bigger. You got 454,000 shares traded so far today on Kelly B. Do I think it's gonna go up to 120? Probably not. Inverted head and shoulders forming on BNAI. Very cool. Very cool. How you doing, Stoner? Hope you're doing good. Let's go, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. We're doing good. We're at 7,700 likes so far. See, I wish I would have looked at the 5 minute on on this booger right here before I sold my shares. I didn't look at the 5 minute. Like I said, I'm in a little bit of pain. My freaking back spasming like crazy. So I took some medicine. It's making me a little woozy. um, but there could be a chance this thing does a little run here. So pushed up, consolidated, pushed up, reversed a little bit here. There's your little red candle. Came back down to volume weighted average price. Held volume weighted average price. There's another reversal candle. There's your confirmation. So this should, technically, I believe this should get over this 237 probably on this next candle on CISS. We'll see. We'll see if it stalls out. It really wants to flip that Mac. Just keeps getting beat up right there. All right. What do we got, guys? What do we got? Come on, baby. Push on through. Oh, let's go. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. All right. Did you guys, if all right, if you took profits, throw some fireballs in the chat. Or no, if you took profits, put a one in the chat. If you took some profits already, made some money today. There you go, Debbie. All right, Mark, the one squib, Captain. Good job, guys. Good job. There you go, Inspire. Good job. Positivity. 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 I like positivity. That's that's a good one. Oh. All right. What are we doing? What are we doing, market? Why are you so slow? Pick up the speed. All right, AREB coming off a little double bottom off the 20 EMA. Needs to get back above volume weighted average price. It does that, then we might have something I might want to play with. You're not going to get targets on this because this was on the watch list. I'm sorry, not was. This is on the watch list. What's up, backhoes? Night Owl, good job. Thank you. All right, guys, good job. People taking profits. That's fucking awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta do a little puzzle piece here for TikTok. There we go. I get more coffee. Crazy candles incoming. That's about, that's about the right time to go get some coffee. Let me get my third cup. You guys like me after 3 cups of coffee. Oh, I've got a lot more energy. Oh, how you doing? All right, CISS going back down to volume weighted average price. Crazy candles right now. That's what you're seeing on your screen. That is the craziness of Weeble and all the volume that they dump in at 5. It's crazy. 5 a.m. already. Look at the volume on this thing. 1.2 million. 4.3 million on this one. Dude. No. Going to take a call option on NVDA. What's your technical analysis? On NVDA? No idea, Steve. No idea. I'll take a look at it for you in a minute after I go grab my coffee and see if there's anything else moving right now. All right, what does this thing look like on a 5-minute? Does it look healthier? No, it does not. It is holding volume weighted average price, which is cool, but you got a long way down if it decides to roll over on you. It'll probably take a little break right at $2 if it does roll over. And I mean, the MACD's already trying to go down here for you. It was looking pretty good a minute ago, or 3-4 minutes ago. Consolidation after this little move under VWAP looks bad now. That's a 5-minute. Here's a 1-minute. Yep, she coming back down. She's coming back down right to there. If she can't bounce off, then she's in trouble. All right, TEED. What is TEED? Let's see, TEAD. What are you doing? All right, TEED. First pullback. How's the volume? 43 million float, 220,000 traded so far. 1.25 is the average. Looks like BNAI is back over 30. That's nice. Back over 31, actually. BNAI doing decently. TEED, can you check? TEED is on the screen. Let's take a look at the 30. Well, looky here. Well, it looks like it's been in this area before where it's had problems with that 70. Look at how many times. How many times does it have to do it for people to understand it? That 70 cents is a hard spot for it to break. Once it breaks that, the next spot is 75. That's the next hard spot for it. All right, so this is a good song. Yeah, so Teed 79. It's got a lot of issues. This one's got a lot of issues getting over that 70 cents. All right. Yeah, I know it's not much, but this one doesn't move all that much. Okay. I wouldn't play with something like this yet at all. Just saying. XTKG. Two down. Did it move? Nah, it's still doing the same, about the same damn thing. XTKG. So basically, we're waiting to see if Teed wants to go ahead and break through that 70 through 75, hit that 79. If it can do that with good volume, it could have a good possibility of getting that third target. Um, I told you guys that CISS, once it breaks the little yellow line, once it breaks the yellow line, it's coming back down to the red. And look at that, just perfect bounce off that red line. It's the perfect little bounce. All right, let me go grab my drink. Meow. All right, let's take a look at this. Let's see. Let's take a look at Soar. Here's Soar. It looks sore. It looks like it had a rough night. That's what Soar looks like. Ooh. Let's see, NVDA. NVDA. Man, oh man. Ooh, that does not look healthy. That is not a healthy. This pattern does not make a healthy chart. All right. Your line in the sands right here. If it breaks this 72 bucks, she's probably going to come down even more. Nvidia. All right, there it is right there on Nvidia. I still think it's got some room to go down. So I do not see call being good, that good on that. Entry is at 170. That's yours. Okay. Yeah, I see this thing still coming down, man. Unfortunately, it's in a nasty downtrend. Come on, baby. Let's go get that 79 cents. Teed. Teed's building. Teed's trying. Look at this. 74, 75. Come on, 79. Let's see how strong it is, because that 75 looked like it was gonna be a real butthead on Teed. Yeah, you'll get that with BNA AI. You'll get that quite a bit. Thoughts on Kelly B? Too expensive? I did a good move this morning. Currently, it's in a downtrend as well on the 1 minute. Come on, get that target. Guys, don't forget. Don't forget. Don't forget to do that. If you're playing with fire, you will get burned. And all the stocks that we play with are fire. They're all painful. This is a weird looking rising wedge. Almost there. 77.66. Let's go. You got a nice big wallet, 78. 10,000 shares. Tommy, Nvidia 168. Looks like nothing. Looking like a no trade day for me. That's, hey, that's a good way of thinking about it too. A no trade day is a safe day, right? You didn't lose any money. A no trade day. Some of the worst things you can do when the trade's not there, when there's nothing to trade, is forcing a trade. That's a very bad thing to do. I've done that several times and I've got my ass kicked. In fact, I think that was what? Is that last Friday? Yeah, I think last Friday I forced some trades and I got my ass kicked just because I wanted to trade. I did not need to learn a $700 lesson. Nope. You can just say I paid for some textbooks and yeah, I paid for my education. Yeah, that I think one of the best things I can teach you guys is patience. I think that's probably the best thing. Patience and follow the rules. Other than that, I mean, just learn your charts, learn your patterns, learn how to read some filings. You don't have to be a pro at reading filings. You could just be decent at it. Get the gist of it, you know? That's what I'm thinking. If you guys haven't yet gone over to Jrockstocks on YouTube, this is also streaming on YouTube, so that'd be cool if you wanted to go say hello to that. AGMH broke down solid, broke down really hard. Yeah, CISS still don't look good. Still don't look good. Teeds is on the screen, doing a little bit of consolidating here after this little push up. Here, let's look at Kelly B real quick here. So there's Kelly B. This is a 30-minute chart, as you can see. The 30-minute chart's even telling you, hey, look, downtrend, right? You got a hammer candle, but this one doesn't look healthy. The next candle does not look healthy. So let's say you take it to a 5-minute. What's the 5-minute look like? The 5 minute looks like a double bottom, but it keeps putting in lower lows. So no longer higher highs, right? No longer moving up. Now it's putting down lower lows as this one's lower than this one. So looked like a cup and handle. Looked like a cup and handle. Said, okay, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Let's see. Nope, didn't work out. Broke through the volume weighted average price. On its way back down, I think, to about 38, possibly 38. I know it's at 60, but the possibility of it getting to 38 is actually pretty strong. Once that volume dips, once that volume's out, you should be thinking about out. NXL, yes sir. NXL, what about it? Two down. I've never seen you do that. NXL. I've never seen you basically spam the chat NXL, NXL, NXL. There's your targets on NXL. First one from what, yesterday, 2 days ago, hit. Second one came within 1 penny. And there's that. It wasn't showing on my side. Oh man, I'm sorry. So there's another thing, I see people putting stuff up. Oh yeah, here. This is where we're at after today, after the predictions from yesterday on Weeble here, whether it's going to go up or down. There's my percentage. I'm at 76.18% after predicting 1,205 stocks and being correct 918 times. So it's going in the right direction. It's going up. Okay. Okay. So we got teed here on this side here. All right, let's take a look at NXL. Here's NXL. It's bumping around 16 million floats, done 1.15. Average trade is 153,000. Geez, I really hope this yeah, it did show teed twice. Yeah, it did. Thanks. As I told you guys, I had to take some muscle relaxer for my back. Boy, is it making me relaxed. Let me tell you, if you guys hear any loud noises, it's not the floor creaking. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. That was horrible. Arnaz pumped real hard to 1480 and decided to come back to 1090. Yeah, we'll put it right here. You guys let me know when it hits that target. It came close right there. NXL is really not doing a whole lot right now. Needs more volume. This one's trying. I'm going to go ahead and replace NXL with Arnaz real quick just so you guys can see some Fugazi shit. There's some Fugazi shit. One candle pumped up 1480, then next candle back down 1050. $4 switch in momentum. I need something happier for music. There we go. Come on, Teed. Oh man, I can't play this. It's got way too many things that I can't. I don't think I would play on Tickety Talk. I think they might get angry. Did you pop a 30 milligram? Almost, almost. I'm a big boy. I'm 260 pounds. That 10 milligram shit ain't gonna do stuff for me. I gotta find something better. My brain's running through a bunch of different songs, and what do you guys want to listen to? Anybody throw something out there? There we go. I'm a hundo. I'm a hundo MG man. LOL. What spaghetti noises? You do not look 260 pounds, bro. Yeah, I'm I, it's the heaviest I've ever been, by the way. But yeah, I used to work out a lot of muscle. All right. So it's not doing much. It's trying, but it just keeps fading back to the blue line. Remember that blue line is your support. It breaks this blue line, the 20 EMA, you're not looking so good. Just so you don't need a crane. Just so I don't need a crane. Yeah. Diddy party? No. But I do have something here for you. Told you, supports your little blue line. You just broke it. What do you think it's gonna do now? On teed. There's nothing going on. Keep it rocking. I told you guys. Told you on Kelly B. She wasn't looking healthy. She's still not looking healthy. Arnaz is moving a little bit. Not enough to spike my interest though. Uh, Hang on. Let's do this right. Let's do it upright. What do you guys think? Hang on. While I'm trying to do this. Hey, thanks, Gonzo, for the rose. Appreciate you. I got it. Damn it. Get it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Goes with the music now. Nap. Yes, you're right. I do need a nap. Ay, caramba. Why? Give me something. Arnaz. All right, possibly a little bit of an inverted head and shoulder pattern here on Arnaz. I thought you were going to take your shirt off. Debbie, don't get excited. Come on. Ah, Luke, what? Yeah, it's definitely like watching paint dry this morning. It sure is. It sure is. I just need this to break out. Let's give you some targets on Arnaz here. All right, good support there at 13. Resistance. Right now it's resistance. It was support. There's a nice little gap right up here. That's what I'd say right there. Not guaranteed, but it's not a bad idea. It looks like just a few bucks. Yep, she wants that. She wants that 15 bucks. Baby. Little inverted head and shoulder. Nice little spike. Break on through. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice little float on Arnaz, 832,000 shares. It's already done 1.73 million. Its average volume is 57,000, so that's not bad. That does make a nice little formation of a nice little formation of what it's doing just in statistics. Statistics. All right. And it also looks like it's using the little blue line as support. So that's what, 1128? Yeah, 1128 down there. Is this doing a cup and handle? It needs to stay where it's at for it to work out and be a cup and handle here. West side? Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Let's go. All right. I want numbers in the chat. Who's doing crip walk right now? Who's doing the crip walk right now? Put a one in the chat if you're dancing. If you're crip walking. Way ahead of you. Teed's moving a little, is it? That's cool. Yeah, we already looked at Kelly Services, and I told you that's coming down. Sensei Keith, you probably weren't in here. I didn't see you say anything earlier. So yeah, it's going down. Singing hello, David. Seriously, right? So on Kelly Services, there it is right there. I was thinking this little red line is going to be where it bounces. If it doesn't bounce there, then it's toast. 36.28. It's got one more support here at the 47 mark. What is that? 46.5. Thank you, sir. Thank you for following. Appreciate you. Yeah, Thursdays aren't necessarily days where you want to go full board on a stock. You know, you got your own risk management. I get that, but you just got to be careful. Thursdays aren't necessarily amazing days. And the way that the past 2 weeks have been has been just kind of weird and shady. Oh God, not this one again, guys. Okay, here. I want to show something to you. Okay, I don't know if I could say that any better, guys. I don't know if I could say that any clearer. This thing is dilution, dilution, dilution. Rail Vision, I would not touch that with your dinghy. Yeah, what's up, Indiana Tip Tricks? Yep, we're almost. I mean, we're getting there. We're almost at 27,000. We're real close. But this stock right here. This stock is just garbage. Rail Vision. Yeah, this is if you wanna lose money, this is what you play with. Oh shit. You know what? Here, let me hold on. Let me get something else here. Let me pause this because it's probably gonna say some shit I don't want it to say. This is a good one. What the hell is that? Why did that go away? Stop it. You stop it right now. Give me back what I was looking for. Why can I not find what I'm looking for? All right. Well, whatever. It don't matter. Let's see here. Tap for the likes, guys and gals. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, thank you. Indian tip tricks. Not a financial advisor. Please don't tell people to invest in anything. Guys, remember in the live stream when I'm quiet, it's because I'm reading. And that time I was trying to pick music. But yes, stay away from this one. Look at how would you feel? You just bought in right here, and then the fucking thing just whoop, and you didn't take your profit because it was too fast. It's a 1 minute chart. This little booger likes to mess with people's emotions. Oh, all right. You can tell I'm not feeling so hot with this damn muscle relaxer shit. You can tell. I know you can. Arnaz is on the screen. Arnaz is on the screen. Here's a fun one for us. Thanks, Doug Funny. I don't feel very ugh. Hey, Michael, thank you for the roses. Gonzo, thank you for the rose. Guys, we got 17 roses out of 1,000. We're doing great. How are our likes doing? Our likes are at 18,000 already. Market's not even close to opening. We got about an hour. We'll say 55 minutes. Hells yeah. Head bopping. T'd hit price target. Nice. Sure did. It's only got one left. T'd got one target left. MACD looks good. It's $0.79. We can go ahead and do this. Let's do this. Let's just go ahead and play with it. Just need a couple pennies, a couple shillings. I don't need much. MACD's looking good. Chart's looking good coming off of this double bottom. Maybe even a cup and handle-ish kind of type move there. 87.58's your next stop there. Woo, man. I probably shouldn't be trading the way that I'm feeling right now. But it's okay. It's just a couple pennies. I'm curious. What's this thing been looking like on the day? Come on, baby. I just want a couple pennies. Nothing crazy. Just a couple pennies. Jason Blevins. Good. Good call. Good call on that, my friend. Big Frank. It's on the screen. It's on the screen. Come on, Big Green. Let's go. I don't like that top tail right there. That thing sucks. But it's still looking okay. Still looking for a move upwards. I wouldn't have bought in it on a breakout if I didn't think it was going to go up more. I don't care how tempting Rail Vision looks to play. Always stay away. Always stay away. You don't want none of that. You don't want none of that. Kelly B, just like I said, it's down to 53 bucks now. CIS is holding its last line of support there until it decides to dump. Teed's looking pretty good. Still looking pretty good. We're almost $1 profit. Yes, we're winning. We're winning. Oh, look at that. Come on, baby. Climb up for daddy. Let's go. Come on, baby. Breakthrough. This is for you, Cree. This is for you, Cree. INBS is starting to get some movement. INBS was a big runner a little while ago. I'm gonna put that right here. INBS. See what it did just a little bit ago? That was a runner. Look at that. Boom shakalaka 47.28. Hello. Right? Big runner earlier, but right now currently just kind of bumping its head. Remember, there's a lot of bag holders up there, so Teed, thought I missed you talking about. Yeah, you did. You missed it. It's okay. We're still talking about it. We come back. We come back to it. What? Huh? Boom. And I told you CIS was looking weak. See that? That's it being weak right there. Now you got a head and shoulder pattern. You got your, here's a little 5-minute chart on that. You can see shoulder head, shoulder down. And here we go. Come on, Teed. Come on, Teed. Come on, Teed. A little more. Insure Gill. This is Weeble. This is Weeble. Na 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 na. Shake, Jay, shake. Trust me, I'm shaking. Come on, let's go, Teed. Teed is pushing a little bit. 79 of you in here, 80 of you in here. We're at 20,000 likes. We're doing good. We're doing good. Little breakout here off that little cup and handle double bottom on a 1 minute. There's your cup. There's your handle. Here's your cup. There's your handle, and up it goes, right? Boom. It's looking pretty good. INBS. Yep. Did it drop out of the runnings? Teed looks like it wanted to just double top us right there. Consolidation. Still. Oh God. Damn, that hurts. Whoa. Oh. Huh. Not much going on. It's kind of boring. You gotta have good music playing when you're trading. Get you in the rhythm. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme. Come on, team, it's bobsled time. Yeah. Yeah, I did too. I thought I was gonna do something as well. So far, not so much. And Teed is coming back down. Teed is in a losing position right now, unfortunately. Arnaz trying to break through that 1360. We'll put Arnaz right here real quick. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's fill that gap. Hims is doing a run as well. HIMS. I'll come back to Teeds. We'll see if it wants to use this little line as support. Let's take a look at Hims real quick. HIMS. Here's HIMS. Double bottomed. Nice little spike. Can it get it? Can it get that 2766? Nice. Yep. That's just to show me where it's roughly at right now. It's not, it's not a target. I'm busting move over here. Yeah, get it, girl. Let's go. There's nothing going on, guys. It's all just kind of garbage right now. Sweet. Okay, so if Hims can stay above this little green line, which is 26.94, there's a decent possibility it might want to run somewhere in the 30s. Okay, so your first target on this one's going to be right about, okay, well, it won't let me do 32, but 29.32. I know it's a far away target, so if you get close or if it starts climbing, you start seeing it climb, just take your profits, right? Get out. Looks like this one's kind of hurting me a little bit. It's okay. What candle do we have here that made it turn around, right? Boom, that one. That little guy. Yeah, Jason, this week has been terrible. It's been dog shit. Woof woof. All right, here's AIM. A's making moves. AIM. 3 million float. It has some news. AIM Immunotech reports positive at end of year interim clinical progress. Phase 2 study of evaluating. Okay. So phase 2 isn't like earth shattering, but again, we've seen stocks move on phase news before. Unfortunately, this one doesn't seem to like to get up over this 140. Your cut loose is going to be right around this area here. So 127 would be the cut. I'd say nope, don't touch. If it can break through. Come on, Hims. There's 28.10 on Hims. Pay attention to Hims. HIMS. Yeah, I'm in one. I'm in only one right now, teed. Yeah. That's all I'm in right now is teed. Come on, baby. There's 28.25 on HIMS. Let's go. Come on, go. I'm going to put teed over here on AIM because I got to keep an eye on it. Oh, hey, look at that. 160 hit already on AIM. Don't forget to take your profits. All right, you know what? I'll put Teat over here for me on another chart so you guys don't have to watch it because it's kind of slow going. It's literally at a point. There we go. We just got our first target. There it is on HIMS. Nice. Take your profits. Don't forget, take some profits, leave some on the table. You know, that was a good move. It was a solid move. That was like $2. That was almost $2. You guys would have saw there. You guys could have probably captured it. And then we have AIM hit its first target. Oops, only put one target. Your next target's going to be 92. 92, 192. Fuck it, 197. Let's go 197 on this one right over here. There's your second target. Your third target's going to be right around here. I got to go use the restroom, so I'll be right back. You guys hold down the fort, okay? Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Oh, man, looks like Teed's taking a crap. All right, guys, I'm back. Thanks for being patient. Let me elevate my desk here. All right. AIM still doing pretty decently. Looks like it almost got that second target. Oh, man. Beer 30? No, this is a Fresca. It's a Fresca. Fluff. Yes, I've been doing this all the time. This is what I do. Still take care of my uncle though. I still go over to his house and take care of him. Man, I haven't taken a muscle relaxer for a while, and it's getting me. It's getting me. Yep, I haven't seen you for a while yet. Thanks, man. Thanks. It's hard to do this with a market the way that the market's been playing. Here's one PPCB. PPCB making some moves here. Looks like Teed is screwing up. Teed has lost it. Teed has lost the fight. It did. It lost the fight at VWAP. So I don't like GXAI. Here and there it's good, but for scalps only. That stock has fucked people many times. There we go. Looks like Teed's turned back around a little bit for me here. Little double bottom. Needs to get back over volume weighted average price. This little guy PPCB is making some moves. This little gap up here at 46 cents. That's your target. 46 is your target. Your first target's going to be 40. Uh, second target. This thing's got about 20 cents to move. 12 cents to get to that target. So that's good. So that'll be your first target. On PPCB, what is their news? Game-changing proenzyme therapy poised to challenge standard cancer treatments in the 3+ billion pancreatic cancer market. Okay. Sure, sure, sure. I won't believe it until I see it, right? So there's your targets on PCB, PPC, PCB, DXH. You not looking AIM? I already looked at AIM. I already priced it out. This one's the only one I'm in right now. I can see it on my other chart here, so I'll put something else over here for you guys if you want. There's AIM. See, AIM hit its first target, missed its second by 7 pennies, and then double topped and it's coming back down. Broke through resistance, broke through support pretty quick. DXH. There's DXH. DXH. Breaking down to Chinatown. Ah, got cold. Drinking cold soda pop. Soda pop. Soda pop. Come on, Teed. You're almost there. Wake up. 74 cents on Teed so far. Ooh, there we go. I got cold. Keep boom boom down. There's Teed. Still not looking very healthy. At least the MACD's trying to flip. So we'll see if it can do it. Look at that, guys. We're 1,000 likes away from 25,000 likes. You guys are kicking ass today. Right here. Right here. 2 down. It's on the screen, buddy. Those are my thoughts on PBCB. Nevermind says AIM. Yeah, AIM is it that 157 right meow. Yeah, Teed's not working out for me. Looks like Teed wants to keep on going. All right, reminder, the muscle relaxer I took is making me itchy. So so that's probably not a good thing for that. 23 minutes till market open. God, do I just want to dump this or do I want to hold on to it? See it? Yeah, whatever. I don't care. It's $5. Whatever. Well, we still got, how much we got to play with still? Yeah, we still got some money. We're good. We're okay. No big deal. You break that, I'm gonna break you. Ah, you broke that. Peace out. Going to the red line. I'm try to get out of it. Let's go into the red line. I'll take my loss. I'll take my loss. Not looking strong at all. Looking pretty weak. Right before market opens. I'll take my loss. Hey, why didn't it sell it? What the hell? Oh, was that just 20? Damn it. Son of a. I still have 30 of them. All right, now I'm out. All right, so I'm down 20 bucks for the day so far. It is what it is. Shit does happen. Should have taken my profit on the way up, right? Yep. And I got caught chasing it down. Shit don't help. No, it does not, Mr. and Mrs. Gentlemen and gentle sir and gentle giants. See, the market is so unpredictable today and yesterday and all week. All week it's been just garbage. So now we got PBCB after that nice little run to 30 cents, back down to 22 cents. This is just, it's just a garbage. It's garbage day. That's it. Did the trash man come? The trash man came. Oh man. So that back part of your back, like here are your shoulders. If you go down like that, it's like right by your scapulas, like right behind my both of my scapulas. It's just like Ah, muscle spasms. Oh, they're fun. You gotta love them. Hey guys, what's going on here? Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Get people in here. Let's go. You guys did awesome. All right, PPCB, little hammer candle here. Off of its support, you get confirmation candle. You get back over volume weighted average price. You're golden. Teed coming back down to the red line, possibly even below. 64.97. Looking for that confirmation there. 7 seconds left for this to stay green. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Back to volume weighted average price. Come on, break on through it. There we go. Sometimes when I mess with it like that, sometimes it fixes itself. Yo, what's up, Bo Babble? Thank you for coming in and saying hello. Thank you for the finger heart. Appreciate you. All right, let's see if we can make a little bit of money on this one. Not much. We got 400 shares. Just because I put this up here, I'm going to say it's got to hit, right? Nope. It does not have to hit. But we'll go ahead and we'll put some hope in it, right? Some hopium. Hopium. Let's see. So that does hit, then I'll make 60 bucks. That would be well worth it, right? That would be well worth it. Let's go. Break through this little 28.99. 28.99. Let's go. Break through it. Break through it. Uh, uh. What brokers do I use? I use Weeble. Sensei Keith. Yeah, this is Weeble, what you're seeing. Y'all know what sound that is, huh? All the cool people know what song this is. Yeah, they all have PDT. Yeah, but we're T+1. I mean, that's so you play all your funds today, you have funds tomorrow. It's awesome that way. Yep, yeah, I saw it breaking down. I saw Teed breaking down. Teed's breaking down 69.43 so far. So you're not limited to one trade per day. You know, cash account, man. On a cash account, you trade as much as you want as long as you have the funds. That's it. Yes, sir. All right, come on now. You tell me. Are you gonna go up or what? What are you doing? All right, 6:15 right now. That's why the lights went off. So it looks like it's breaking down as well, man. This all just been garbage. This has all been garbage. Looks like she wants to come all the way back down to here. She does that, and I'll lose about 19 bucks. Still doable. Still doable. Keep your position small, and it won't scare you as much. Look at that, guys. Market's gonna open in 15 minutes. We're at 24,000 likes. We're almost to 25. That's a pretty good go. That's a pretty good go. Hasn't really been a whole lot of movement. Kelly B's turned back up. It's at 60 bucks again. CISS, I told you guys I was going to keep going down. BNAI needs to hold about 26, 27 bucks. This PPCB needs to turn around for me here. Hopefully it's doing just a little double bottom. And then it'll come back up and hopefully get to some targets. This kind of trading sucks. LIMN is up. Here's LIMN. Oh, look at PC. See, take my eyes off of it. Damn it. This is what happens. Any hope on Kelly B? Yeah, right now there's hope. She's pushing hard right now. So market opens in just 14 minutes. Stocks that are going down could just be being played with. Stocks that are going up could just be played with, but you know, there's some that really do want to try. This one's really trying right now. Kelly B. There's that. And just like that, PCCB just decided to kick my ass. I think I'm down 20 bucks on that piece of shit right now. Damn you, PCBB, you fucking suck. Yep, look at, she just took a tank. She just decided to tank. Now that is unhealthy. That is a very unhealthy stock. It's a very unhealthy move for the stock to just come right back down and give back all the gifts that it's given. It's a very unhealthy move. But that is pre-market trading right there at its best. This is exactly what happens at pre-market. Right before market opens, if it can't hold volume weighted average price, it's probably going to be trash. It is a brutal market. You guys have been seeing me take small losses, small losses, small losses. I mean, there's really not much to say about this shitty ass market that we're in. But all it takes is one. Like down 40 bucks. Okay, I can make that back. That's easy. See, right now what I'm determining is how much more this thing has. Come on, Kelly B. Nice. Nice. It reclaimed VWAP right before market opens. Look at that. That is beautiful. That's what you want to see, not this garbage. This is just fucking garbage. This is literally, I almost want to put a shit emoji on it. 11 minutes till market open. Yeah, you want to see before market opens, you want to see a stock reclaim volume weighted average price. Once that market opens, once it opens, as long as it holds volume weighted average price, you're gold. Like it's good. You're golden. I was hoping that this was a little hammer, maybe a little doji off of support. Support being the 200 EMA there on a 1 minute. But this does not look good. This still looks like shit. This looks like it's about to dump down to 18 cents, if not more. The MACD's telling me there's not the MACD. The freaking level 2 is telling me there's a wall of 27,800 shares sitting on the bid at 18 cents. Where? Right here. Because they want you to think that it's going to bounce right there. That's why it's there. If that's what you want to think, that's on you. That's on you, boo boo. I think this thing's gonna dump some more. Kelly B looking good. Got a little 3 bar play on Kelly B. In this type of market, survival. That's literally what you're trying to do. See, told you it's gonna tank. This thing's coming down more. But wait, Jarek, but wait. It had game-changing news. It was poised to challenge standard cancer treatments in the 3 billion pancreatic cancer market. Woohoo! Oh, but it was so good, right? Oh, it was so good, Jarek. God, man, we were so close. No, no, we weren't. No, we weren't. We weren't so close. She does have a gap up here. Only reason I'm still holding on to her. I don't really think she'll break past this 18. She goes to 18, I lose 8 more bucks. It is what it is. Possibility of her turning back around and getting over volume weighted average price and hitting that and make me, 60 bucks. It's decent, but the chart looks like shit right now, so I wouldn't hold my breath. And we'll go to this one just because market's going to open here in about 8 minutes. One of my faves. Nothing. Look at the volume even took a shit. 19,000 shares on that one, 212 on that one. You got 500 a million on these other ones right here. There's a fight literally going on right here. Dab AIM. Yep. Yeah, we looked at it. Mm-hmm. 173, 174. I'll put it over here. Kelly B's taking a break. Little triple bottom. Trying to get back up. Needs to break. 186. Breaks 186. You'll probably have these 3 targets nailed. Thanks, guys, for hanging out. 7 minutes. We haven't hit 24,000 yet. I mean, we haven't hit 25,000 likes yet. We're very close. We are very close. Alrighty. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thanks, Debbie. Thanks, Two Down. Love to Color. Thank you for being in here. Thank you for hanging out. Michael S. Thank you. Cree. Thank you as always. Keith Washington. David Desser. Thanks, guys. Blue Max. Sensei. Melody. Raul. Brian. High Low. Inspired Positivity. Thomas, thank you for hanging out, Stoner. Awesome to see you. Thanks for being here. Phil McCrotch. That's funny. Mr. Lonely, thanks for hanging out. Thank you, guys. Big Frank, thanks for being here. David, thank you. Hunter, thank you. Paul, Happy Lou, thanks for hanging out. Freedom, you're the rabbit foot foosball. Ain't no foosball. My son not playing no foosball. Foosball's for the devil. Oh shit. Thank you. We hit 26,000 likes. Thanks, guys. I giggle so much at some of these names, right? They're great. They're great. I love it. All right. Well, looks like that one's gonna eat me up there. It doesn't look like she's got much going for her at this point. The only thing I can do is I can see where it has support, how far down I need to go to actually see where her actual support is. 1813, we would think, right? That's what I would think. I think 1813, but has she been lower? Well, she has not been lower. So 1813 might be where she stops. The way she's been going though doesn't look like she wants to. She looks like she's one of them hood rats. Little hood rat there. I mean, it's all about protecting capital, right? Do I think $8 is going to kill me on this trade? No, I'm already down 18 bucks on this stupid thing. You know, eight more dollars, whatever, whatever. What a boy. That is a fun song, though. Market opens in 3 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, are you profitable? And if so, a lot? LOL. Cody, you're funny, man. You're funny. Are you profitable? There's days where I am, and there's days where I'm not. Today, I'm not. I keep telling everybody in here, everybody needs to know I'm a regular trader. I would be an amazing trader if I wasn't so fucking emotional. If I wasn't emotional, I'd be top 1%, guaranteed. But I'm too emotional. I can't trade because of that. I can call out targets with the best of them. Yep, I can trade with the best of them. That's it. I can call out targets with the best of them. Sorry, I can call out targets. I'm telling you, that muscle relaxer's fucking me up. I'm, I'm feeling fun, funny, fun. I can always say I'm gonna do something, but there's always the option to not do that. True. Uh-huh. 100%. 100%. I could always say, okay, hey, here's the target, here's the target, here's the target. All three of them hit. But my problem is I do that, then greed sets in. Then I think, how cool would it be if I could just home run this sucker and that doesn't work and then it crashes. Sometimes it works, but I'll go ahead and I'll put sometimes on this side and you know taking a shit on this side. I guarantee you this side will fill up faster by me not hitting it. My problem is I always rush trades like I have no more buying power and the market isn't even open yet. Yeah. Well, I mean, the most important thing you could learn from my trading is how to read charts, how to find your support and resistance. Um, you know, don't do what I do because obviously it ain't working. Today not working. 19 bucks there. Total I'm down today is $39. Okay, not nothing crazy. You can always come back from that. But the takeaways are, take your profit when you can, cut losers fast. I mean, just look at my profile. You'll see all this stuff in there. The rules are the rules for a reason. I've been doing this long enough, you know. There you go, market's open. I've been doing this long enough to know. There you go. Market's open. Let's go. All right. I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate you guys being here. I know a lot of you aren't here to copy my trades. You guys are here to gain some knowledge and hang out and have a good time trading pre-market. With that being said, 6:30 is my limits when I turn into a pumpkin. So I'm gonna have to go, but I will be back tomorrow, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Remember, guys, not financial advice. This isn't where you get that. Okay, if you want that, you get yourself a financial advisor. Okay, do not go online to get yourself a financial advisor and go, hey, this dude said to enter right here and sell it right here. That's not gonna work. Do I only trade pre-market? So I trade pre-market live with you guys, and then after I leave here, after I go to my uncle's house, I'll play around with some stocks. You know, it's a little easier to concentrate when you're not doing the lives. Again, the emotions stay down because, well, I'm not trying to entertain anyone. I'm just trying to do my job. And then the other thing is I'll put out the alerts on the Discord. So if you guys are part of the community, if you're part of Jrockstocks.com, you get the watch list and you get alerts. So that's how it goes. And also, guys, don't judge your trading on your account. Don't judge your trading on what your account looks like, how many green days you had, how many red days you have. You got to keep yourself accountable, sure, but when you just start thinking, hey, I'm gonna do this and I have to have a green day, you're gonna fuck up and you're gonna get bent. And when you get bent, that's when you start making more mistakes. Then you start revenge trading. Then you start trying to make back the money that you lost, and it just spirals. Then you get frustrated, and the circle continues and continues and continues and continues. Debbie, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate you being here, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. We'll see how badly PCB. Look at no volume, market open, and there's like no volume. It's just crap. So we'll see if this MACD flips for me, or I will. Um, but good luck. Remember, take your profits on the way up into strength, not into weakness. And Green Day is way better than Red Day. All right. Have a good one, guys. Peace out. YouTube, thank you very much for hanging out, guys. Night Owl, appreciate it. Backhoes, thank you, thank you. Hopefully we'll catch some good runners here coming up. If not, it is what it is. But anyways, we got AIM trying to get back up to that 192. And I will see you guys later. Peace out. Thanks for hanging out.